22nd of July. Welcome, people. Right, my system has actually been a little bit misbehaving. So, oopsie. Okay, someone was just asking about WISA. I will share my screen now. I haven't actually been on that one, to be honest. I don't know why. I live in the UK, but I have the curse of a struggling system. So bear with me, please. I don't know why my system's just been misbehaving. Okay, can you all hear me, guys? Can you all hear me?
Yeah, we can hear you clearly.
Choo, choo, choo. Admit people. I'm being gentle myself, guys, so. Fantastic. Yo, my brother, how's it going? Right, let me share my screen. And yeah, it's a trading day today. WISA. Some of these things, if we're not there live, if we didn't catch it at the start of the trend, guys, don't be tempted to jump on it. We've jumped on a few like this, and we just end up falling for, getting wrecked on a moving train, really. So you want to be careful. So where is this here? Again, I try as much as possible not to follow trends sometimes. Come to me, where's the chance? Okay, I can see the chance here. So since I started day trading, I've been seeing some results, of course. Okay, so the short term, this seems very bullish. Hold on. I just want to take it nice and slow. Right, yeah, the one the short term seems a bit bullish, but I'm looking at these candles right here, and can the price hold? That's the thing. So, when you before you get on any stock at all, you got to always think about the risk reward, and how much reward are you going to get from this? Not a lot for me right now, anyway, because we're joining a bit late. But it is actually very bullish, as you can see. So if you feel like you want to take it for a scalp, absolutely, because it's confirmed that it's bullish, and I can see here. So this is good for me. If anybody wants to scalp it, be my guest and scalp away. Absolutely. Yeah, but I'm not jumping on this, guys. But yeah, WISA is bullish in the short term. You guys can see my screen, can't you? Okay, let's move on to something else. Yeah, like I said, this is bullish in the short term. So if you want to jump on it, I can guide you. But guys, if you want to ask me a question, please feel free to ask me your questions. Don't leave it in the chats, just in case I might miss it out, just in case. Just in case some people might want to join us still. Just give me a second. So Isa, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. Yes. Thank you.
People always ask about joining us today, and I have a few what's it called? A few stocks I'm watching, actually, because there are the bulls definitely take over. So and I made a few notes. SOS, guys, SOS is one of them. Where is my? I've always said, guys, don't leave me lonely here. Well, yeah, this is definitely bullish, but yeah, this is really bullish. Wow, and they keep pushing hard. So anyway, I'm not gonna trade it. It's fine. I'll let it go. I made some money off pain reform this morning. Right, okay. I was looking at Verizon. So let me just look at it on the side by side. I don't know why I'm not using the bigger screen upstairs. Maybe from next week I will be using the bigger screen. So at least that way I can just vary what I'm looking, vary my system instead of me constantly opening different windows. So Veritone had, they bought a new company today and they paid cash. So this right here seems very good with the market. And let's see what the markets are saying. What is going on? Is anything running away from me? Okay. Veritone is so good, so good. Oh, good. Okay, right. So we are off for another run. So if you feel like scalping, you know, you want to, if you want to be safer, yeah, Veritone is something I will go for. CUEN, I've actually been seeing that as well, to be honest. CUEN. This is, yeah, like I said, this is still bullish as well. But guys, you know, I will be taking my profits on WISA the minute I get to 6. Oh, system is still a little bit slow. Come on. Oh, Jesus have mercy. Don't worry, I will start trading upstairs very soon. It's just because the fact that it's hot right now. Green. Veritone for a day. Where is it now? 20. Okay. The bulls are, yeah, sorry, CUEN. Let's have a look at CUEN. CUEN should get some water. CUEN. CUEN. So guys, we're not here to analyze charts, we're just here to make money. So CUEN. Okay, I saw this as well earlier. I don't know why I didn't include it in my pre-market prep. Okay, again, another train I don't really want to chase. So here, I'm actually waiting on, for this particular one, I will be waiting. Give me a good, reasonable time. Yeah, it's a 4. Oh, okay. Who mentioned CUEN? It's just.
Yeah, I did.
Bear with me and just shut everything down and see. Yeah, CUEN is looking very, very good as well for the day. So what you want to do is you want some of these things to calm down a little bit before you make your move. But yeah, CUEN is actually very strong, but I don't really know this history of this stock. So here there's a bit of, so it's actually thin here, but don't sleep off on this. This is gonna go. This is gonna go. A gradual move, but yeah, don't sleep off on this. You got to warm up on this. This is definitely a good one, and it's very strong as well. So I like CUEN, but hey, just before I go for it, I need the volume to come in more. Yeah, it's coming in for the day, but oh well. Because if you're day trading, you don't really get consistency. Well, what do I mean? The results are not as accurate. So, but over time, we've been actually very good. So let's just wait. Let's just wait, guys. The first market, if you know how to trade market open, okay, WISA, profit taking now, guys. I think you should start looking at taking your profits, if you can hear me, because right now, it's still very strong. Wow, still really strong. Still really, really strong. Let's see what to say. Okay, WISA is strong. You might write this to 650 if you really feel like, but it's actually very strong, very strong. I just didn't start with it, and that's why I didn't want to jump on it at all. But this is still a strong move. I don't know, why is it? Okay, yeah, but this is quite strong. I'm just trying to be more precise, more accurate. So let me just reduce my zone. Yeah, wonderful. This looks very sexy, actually. Yeah, it's really good. Still really good. It should hold. But don't get greedy, people. Don't get greedy. You get fed, you bounce. You get fed, you bounce. I'm just thinking, what's the volume going on across different key levels? So as you can see, it's very strong around this point here. So it's actually this might go back to 5 again. It might reduce to 5 a little bit more. But in the short time, is running. So yeah, guys, write this. But yeah, like I said, I'll be taking my profits at 6 and I'll be coming back down again. If I want to write this, I will be looking at joining back just below 4. Okay, so yeah, WISA, time to take your profits at 6, because that's just what I think it will go to, and that's what it will go to. I can tell you that for free. It's going to come back down soon. Okay, Veritone. I'm just really want this to go for another leg, and then we can write this here. CUEN. I did say CUN is strong. CUN should double. I don't think today though. Let's see. Come on. Okay. Sometimes these things actually do. Do we have Tia here, my assistant? Good. Tia, you know the drill, right? No Milton. Why is that? Because sometimes my trading view is a bit slow in picking up the results. So she's able to tell me inconsistencies on my end, just in case. So that's what I want to hear. Okay, still waiting on proper volume somewhere. I'm looking at Veritone. Let me look at other ones I'm looking at. So, okay, WSA. This right here, take your profits, run, but this is very positive. What we want to do is we want to be there, want to join the train when it's moving, just when it's just about moving, not when it's at full speed. Most of you in Lagos, you tell me, you know what, this thing when the bus is about moving and you just jump on, right? It's going to dry up very soon, so be careful what you wish for. Okay, 6.35. But it's getting quiet around that zone. It's getting quiet around that zone. Yeah. Okay. Right. Let's see. What else do we have? Tia, are you with me? Veritone, is it on another leg?
I'm here.
See, Veritone is on another leg. The volume is actually very quiet, so this is more of a fundamental move than it is for technicals. But yeah, but it's actually really good. It's a real good candle here. So let me see if I can just look at it more in big detail. Yeah. No, this is justified, guys. So you can ride this, I don't know, for another good scalp. You can ride Veritone for another good scalp. Again, we just want things to... Yeah, Veritone is definitely absolutely bullish. For me, I should 2068. The price is just going to go around this point here, and that's what you will see. So... I would like a dip. I would like a dip around this point, but it's not dipping yet. But if you want the dip, you've got to wait the first 20, 30 minutes, and then we can get a true volume on these things, a true market's reaction. Right, let me scan and see what's going on. SOS is another one we should be looking for. There's some water, please. SOS. So, but this one here, it's the tech. Okay, I was thinking it was pharmaceutical. Let's look at SOS. Sorry, I might be back to this. Oh, sorry, let me come on this. SOS. So that was a coin I was looking at yesterday. Oh, SOS, did it get? Oh, that's strange. I'm sure the bulls haven't gone. The bulls haven't left. So this might be a good opportunity right now. Let's see. Amazing. Okay, so usually can you see, they just sold out on us. Hi, Diola.
Hi, good afternoon.
I need an assistant. Where's Diola here? She's joining us. She's here actually. So, okay, SOS. Right, SOS is just about to confirm. For me, I think I like it. Are you here, Diola? Feel free to talk.
Yeah.
Nobody's saying anything. I can't hear you. I think
I
you
was
muted yourself.
yeah. Am I muted, right? Can't hear me.
Okay, SOS. SOS it's growing on me. I like this. Right, guys, I think SOS is a good one. So if you feel like getting in SOS, I'm actually going to get in now. Just to prove it to myself. It's IPA. Let me just see IPA. This is actually still below market price. So IPA. IPA. So does it still have some steam in it? No. So IPA is very, very quiet, actually. For this one here, we'll be looking at, yeah. This is going to come back down. This is really going to come back down. There's not, this hasn't really got much support.
Did you confirm?
Not even long term. Is pain reform on the second leg?
No, I think this is different from the IPA.
Pain reform, is it on another leg now? Oh my God. Okay, yeah.
Sorry, I think the IPA you looked at is different from what I had.
Let's just see. Tia, what happened to your microphone? Can't hear you.
Yeah,
My
sorry,
research.
I had like a call on
Assistant, if I can call it that. Okay, yeah, so this actually had a move when the market opened.
When it dipped for a bit.
Nobody's talking to me. Okay, let's see.
Oh, okay. I was even talking.
Hi, Benga, can you hear me?
I'm not sure. Oh, immunoprecise antibodies. Okay, let's have another look. I'm actually looking at PRFX. I had a big feeling about this stock here earlier. And okay, I like this. I like this. I like this, number one. I like it because of the name. It's oh, I can't hear you. No, hold on with SOS. Let's just see. I want something that could literally just don't. So if I say go, 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 then I will tell you. But hold off with SOS. SOS is still bullish in the short term, by the way. So the bulls haven't left. Let me just see. What I want us to do is I don't want us to be the first people there. I wanted to make a move first, and then we join in. Back then, my former strategy was I always wanted to be the first guy on the train, but now I don't want to be the first guy anymore. I just wanted people to get on the train, then I know it's safe before I get on. So yes, SOS, short term, absolutely. Feel free to join in. Yes, so yes, SOS. Okay, let's see. Gradually coming in, but what do we have? So yeah, let me see, is my pivots confirming? So I can see the price, they're drawing the price up. up to, yeah, 311. 311. Overt analysis, not going to kill people. Just all trying to be safe. Okay. Okay, rail, yeah, so just give us a second. Yeah, SOS is good, SOS is good. It's just crossing. So we've got this right, and I'm just thinking, this, you know what's so funny? This is like perfectly priced, and the markets just won't give it to us cheaper. But SOS is fine, guys. SOS is fine. I like this, and guys, we are getting SOS for cheap. Just believe me that. So SOS is fine. From a trading point of view, yes, SOS is fine.
Price.
You also have to ensure you're not looking at too many. Giola, do you want to try and talk now? I still cannot hear you. Don't leave me here alone.
Okay, hi. Can you hear me now?
Keep it simple. Yeah, SOS is fine. I'm just really thinking it's going to jump. Rail. Somebody talked about rail. I think it's Giola again. Oh, I don't want to keep my eyes off this. Tia, you want to have a look at PRFX? Tell me if I've got the right price, please.
Okay.
Again, guys, remember, we're not trying to be greedy here. 5-10% a day, that's okay.
My mind, it's falling on my end. It's like
Can't hear anyone. Can people hear me, guys? Can you guys hear me?
it's on like
Can you hear
5.6
me?
on my end. We can hear you.
Please shut that door.
Okay, it's going to 6 or
Sorry
something.
about that, guys. Let's see. Oh, you could hear Adila. Oh, do you want to try and talk again now? It's
Yeah,
me.
hi.
I can hear you now.
Okay.
I muted
Oh,
myself. I muted
finally.
everyone. Yeah, finally. Yeah.
Okay.
A bit lonely.
Oh boy.
No, I can't hear anything.
Okay.
Sorry about that. The internet again. So I'm saying, guys, can you all hear me now?
Yes.
Yes.
Good. So as I was saying, that's why you have your long-term portfolio. So don't worry about, oh, it's, you know, it's this thing was £5 in January, or $5 in January. Now it's $10. We don't care. That's why we have a long-term system, isn't it? So don't worry about it. Just focus on your trading, focus on your growth, focus on your compounding, daily basis, and that's how you're gonna grow. So, and then it's quite hard for me because when you're trading with other people, you easily get your system. I don't want to use the word corrupted, but yeah, it gets tainted. You know, well, tainted, corrupted. I'm still using the same thing. So yeah, so don't worry about what's going on. Just worry about yourself. Worry if you're trading right. Rail doesn't look busy yet. Okay, so there's no point stepping on this rail right now. Remember, we are looking at the short term. SOS,
Okay.
did you make a move yet? Not yet. It's definitely looking busy though. It's getting busy, and we're just waiting for more people to climb, and then it's gonna make a move. But every time I keep saying I'm gonna, join in again later in the evening, I probably should do that. Yesterday, Power Hour was actually a really good one. But, oh, IPA. Why didn't I spend much time on this? Okay, IPA. Oh my goodness. 740. The price is going to be around this point for a little while. Let's just see. IPA, and it looks bullish as well. I like this. You know, buy stocks. You know, these things blow up all the time. So guys, none of these things should be left overnight. Do I still like? Yeah, I still like this actually. There's still more price pressure here. IP is actually good for a scalp as well. There's still more price pressure. We're looking at around $8. So yeah, but let's clear of this let's clear of this candle, okay? You don't want to buy into weakness. You want to buy into strength. So let's clear of this candle, and then we'll wait. We'll wait. WISA, wiser, yeah. XA 650, and then it's taking, yeah. So get some relaxation. You know, you don't want to be in any more than any 2 or 3 positions at any one time a day. Come on, Veritone, what happened here? Pen reform. This was at 653 when we saw it. Oh, it's got down heavily. Yeah, so these things do get tired as well. Don't forget that, okay? They do get tired, and I'm expecting that to get tired, but you know, when is it going to make the next move? That's what we don't know. So this is yeah, okay. So see if I can see some elements of profit taking around here. Just give me a second. Let me just get rid of this cloud. And just go. Yeah, so it's quite thin. I can see some elements of profit taking, but it still looks like they want to bring it back up at some point. So let's just, let me see. Okay, so you want to watch it, you want to be patient. And I'm watching this candle, and let me see if it's going to lead us. Because I'm actually still interested in this stuff itself. But this is not for a long time, guys. It's going to come back down. This is still a $3 stock, so don't get fooled. Okay, yeah. Just for today. Yeah, still coming down. Bishop, we've been patient. We will find something. IPA. I really want to. This is I don't want to fall into a trap with this one here. So this is definitely going to get to 8, but you don't want to buy into the trap. So you want to buy into your. What's the saying? Yeah. Okay. Short term, you've got to be more careful. Yeah. A bit weak. SOS still needs a bit of a push. Very quiet, very quiet. So what happened was, yeah, like I said, this right here. It's not good. It's not looking good. I was looking at Veritone. Yeah, they've all gone quiet. So this is the initial market rush when markets opens. And Veritone is going to be quiet around here. And we're just waiting for this to come back. I'm actually looking at a few things. So half the time I should be looking at the same charts. Okay, but this is definitely still bullish. Still bullish. I'm just trying to make it consolidate a bit more before we jump in again. But yeah, it's forming here. And what's the effects? I like this. Okay, the volume justifies as well. Okay, so
What about Alpha?
sorry,
What about Alpha?
you want to buy what?
Alpha.
What's that?
Alpha.
No, don't break it. Sorry, I've got a young investor here.
What about Alpha?
Okay, we shall buy it later.
No,
Not now.
I go to a shop.
Oh, this is on another leg. Right. The bulls are calling for this. Oh, strong. Right, this is still very strong. Wow, this is still very, very strong. WISA, it didn't get defeated. This is still very strong. I don't know who got in. I didn't get in. I didn't get in. I wanted it to, just couldn't chase it. NRXP. So WISA is still very, very much strong. I don't know where it's going to stop, but WISA is still very, very strong. NRXP, this just got weak. NRXP. NRXP, let's see. Oh. Sorry, 1 minute. NIXP looks good. Yes, I would say a bit quiet. This is building. Okay. If we can come over this point here. And I do like it. Yes, it's a good one. I really should get back to my scanners, but yes, NIXP is a really good scalping one as well. 12.5. Yeah, NIXP, guys, it's another really good one. If you want to get in, well, so many. So just which one should I? It's very quiet here. Sure. See, it's building. Okay. I need real confirmation. It's so tight, but the volume is there. The volume is confirming. Let's see if I can get it. SOS moved yet? Yeah, SOS is moving gradually, guys. SOS. Now, Bishop, go for SOS instead. I would say go for SOS instead. This is just gradually moving now because they're loading it, and this should move. But the only problem is this has got to do with, I think it's got to do with blockchain, doesn't it? Don't go with WISA. It's just strong, but I wouldn't go with it. But it's very, very strong. It's very strong. The clouds confirm it. It's very, very strong. I really do like it. Let me see. Wow. No, do you know what? I'm really tempted to put my money in WISA as well. But SOS is strong. NRXP, I haven't put my money in anyone just because not because I don't believe it, just because I haven't put my money there. IPA, I wouldn't put my money in IPA yet. I think it might be a fake out. Some water, please. I wouldn't put my money in IPA yet. Yes, because yes, it's confirming, but I could see they're forcing the price down. 723. So SOS, right? Okay, who's in SOS, by the way? SOS. I'm going to look at this on a longer time. To be honest, even on it, yeah. SOS, guys. SOS is good. Thank you. It's not cold. Come on, wrong tap, wasted like your mother. And then, okay, so SOS is my call for today. Again, a little scarf, a gentle scarf. That's what I'm going to go for. Okay, move on going to SOS. Again, gentle scarf, guys. It's a gentle one. The volume is building in. And,
What price are we looking at getting out?
okay, in terms of getting out, I mean, I'm seeing it very strong up to 4, but not today. That's the thing. Not today. Thank you. Oh, better. So I can't see an exit yet, but if I'm gonna, but of course for today, and again, let's see what prices. What are we looking at is smart money, you know. It's all right. So, Lady Young Universal sing. Yeah. Okay. So yeah, SOS. Let's just gradually keep building. Let's just gradually build. IPA just seem not to budge. Can't remember what percentage this was, but it's very bullish. It's just a candle, it's just deceiving. I mean, this, I could see this up to 8.15, but God have mercy. What's this? 8.66 even. I just don't want to be the one on here, maybe now. Yeah, it's very, very bullish actually overall. Okay, it's very, very bullish. Again, different markets, different strategies, and that's just what it is. So I really, really hate jumping on what's already gone very far. You know, if that means I might miss out sometimes, there is. But yeah, it's quite bullish, really bullish. Everything is confirming, but I don't see the trend lasting that long though, because it's confirming some weaknesses. Again, oh, SOS, guys, SOS. Can I help you? Mark. Sorry, 1 minute. Okay, SOS, I don't know. Again, gentle scarp, I don't know who got in the 276 or whatever it was. So we probably should let them know in the mentoring club. Wonderful, Mubo. I saw your SOS, guys. So 87 now. Okay, see, this is what I like. Let's just ride it gently. Does that make sense, guys? I haven't joined it yet, and I feel like I'm a late comer. But are we late? I don't think so. The smart money is still calling for bigger prices. So, you know, for me, I might just carp in, you know, like I said again, a gradual build of your portfolio. That's all I want. Oh no, I couldn't find this in my portfolio because, yeah, I couldn't trade it because it's not in my. So let's just find something else, just in case, guys. Again, 2-3 positions at the most. Don't jump in too many, okay? And based on the markets, this is just a sideways scalp for you. PRFX, did he make another run? Yes, no. This is still weak, as you can see. Wow.
Sorry, I had to go out for a bit. I didn't get the what we confirmed, what we finalized on WISA.
No, I didn't jump on WSA. I think we shouldn't do it for now. I think it's very strong, but I just think we should wait. You know, I think we should wait for it. You know, I keep getting some form of rejection. The price is around this zone here, and if you think about it, the price is around 696 at the most. You know, so the price is congregated around a small zone, and I don't want us to. And because of that, I think we should just wait and look. But it's still very bullish. It's still very bullish. So I just didn't jump on it yet. NIXP, another one bullish. PIFX, this is getting weak. Okay. IPA, yeah, IPA again bullish, but I don't like the green candle. So the red candles I'm seeing, hence SOS, which looks a little bit of the safest among them all. Which is what we, you know, I know we picked the weakest, but with this one here, we could actually just gradually build with it. Even though the volume is very weak, but I think this is still going to go. So this is going to move, and I just haven't gone into it yet. Okay, so, but if I'm going to look into my scanners, I think there's always another opportunity as well. Well, this price is okay. SOS is just coming out of a zone. It's been, you know what happens when you're talking about Wyckoff? I think many people are familiar with the Wyckoff. So you get accumulation, you get a markup, get accumulation, and then you get probably markdown again, or consolidation, which is what happens. So hence why. You get a zone, but you can feel free to scale in gradually, gently as well. So, and again, remember, prices go up, but never in a straight line. So don't be dejected if your stock is not moving straight away. The fact that something is bullish, don't expect it to move straight away. All right. So let's just see what the scanners are saying. Tia, give us something. What can you give us? Just going to look into my scanners now. See what we can buy. I'm expecting SOS to pull to about 2.8, and then it wouldn't. There's a big demand for this stock, so it's just.
I think IPA just moved on another direction. I don't know if it's finally crossed that red candle that was the problem.
Yeah, IPA. Let's see. IPA. Yeah, gone to 8 now. Wow. Amazing.
Yeah, that red.
System is just so. It's very bullish. It's very bullish. It's very bullish. Yeah. The prices are just, I like what I'm seeing on a very short time frame. Okay. See as well, and yeah, this is why I don't like it. I mean, if you look here, this small thing has this tiny thing here. Okay, let me just let's go. Oh no, why did I do that? This tiny thing here. Sorry, I've got so many stocks opened. This tiny thing here, look at what it did. Oopsie. Look at the big effect it's having. You know, that's not great for me. Well, that's why I didn't like it. But you were right. It was able to defeat it, and it's making a major move. But the thing also is the price. You can't see fine to the price. The price is so congregated around the zone. So, well, I'm just thinking it's, you know, Okay, let's stretch it more. Interesting. Right. We move off. We're not there. That's fine. Okay. I like SOS, but I don't like Rails. So again, let me just find something else. Okay. Anxiety. Someone's got anxiety. So he couldn't get into trade because we had some reds. Guys, the market is not an easy. Trading is not easy. Whoever tells you it's easy, it's just fooling you. So if you're scared of getting into calls, just swing trade, which is you can just buy and wait a few days based on what we've got on the watch list. Okay, but don't be afraid. Don't be afraid to get into calls. I couldn't get into SOS, like I said, because it's not on my ISA, the UK thing. But let me find another call. But again, we need to find something that's liquid. Liquid is very important. SOS is not very liquid, which is okay. Well, doesn't make it okay, but hey. And let's see what the market says again. So this kind of things that we're getting in this market is very, very good, because all you're seeing is accumulation. And then eventually you should expect what? Expect the next leg up. So yeah, so I'm really not bothered on short time frame. It's actually it's actually bullish. It's not as bullish as these other ones because all the money is flowed into these guys. In fact, let me see. Can I actually look at the RSI? If it's going to allow me. Oh, okay. It won't let me. Okay. RSI again. Oh. Yeah, this is actually very strong. This is very strong. So we want to buy into strength. That's it. Okay. IPA is your IPA is really trending and getting stronger. I actually do like it. I do like it. Very strong. PRFX. Some of the stocks get tired and they make another leg.
One has gotten tired. I don't know if it's coming back.
Pain reform. It does look like it's tired, doesn't it?
Yeah, it does.
Just had a quick run, but look at this. Oh, good. Yeah, the shutters are on the waters. People have just sold and taken profit. Okay. Oh, SOS 279. Wonderful. 278 now. Okay. Very quiet zone. Let me just get into my scans and see something else. Okay, so let's see what we can find. I did say we should be careful with IGC. Oh, IGC is at 138 now. NURO. Okay, NURO became weak today. IPA. Oh, SPRT. Issa, you have SPRT. Feel like I'm sleeping on this. Let me just see. It's very quiet. I would love to keep another eye on it. See. So SPRT. SPRT. Well, That's held off a little bit there. Okay. So the short term, you are bullish as well. Let's see where it goes. What's SOS saying? Well, it's a 7.9. Okay, a little bit weak. But again, prices move up, but never in a straight line. Let's see. Let's see. It's definitely got a volume. It's just a little quiet here. But let's see. IPA might just be the miss of the day, and it's still very strong. Isn't it? The miss of the day. WISA. Yeah, that definitely, yeah. You see that? That candle defeated it. IPA. IPA is really good. Feels like I'm changing my tone. It's really good. It's gradually, constantly stepping up. Do we have any news on it? IPA is good. And the more you look into it, the more it keeps getting to different level.
Yeah, and it's just running now.
Yes, there's a news.
Now it peaks.
There's a news on IPA.
Now it peaks. Oh my God. What did it do? What's the news, guys? Tell me. A small confirm. Okay. Yeah. Yes, he's bouncing over VWAP, isn't he? Cocktail. Oh no. Right now, expect this to bounce. This is right. Nine is calling. 9 is calling.
Oh God.
9 is calling. 9 is calling. It's constantly above. Yeah. 9 is calling. IP is good, guys. IP is good. The real catalyst. Yeah, look at that. Look at that. It keeps. Well done, guys. SOS disappointed me. Not yet. It's just very quiet. SOS. So there's the news on IPA. IPA is good. Isa, you caught that early. Very well done. Confirmatory position was very small. Why small? IPA is still very good, guys. Just off these candles, it just wouldn't reject it. It wouldn't reject it. I just realized, you know, there's the odd red candles, but it's just it keeps rejecting it and it keeps moving up. Keeps moving up. So yeah.
You know, those few red candles then were also what were giving me a bit of concern. So
yeah,
I actually caught it at about 7.6 after
Ooh.
I highlighted it
yeah.
earlier at that time, but I was still a bit scared of
I should have looked at the news, but it's still very good. It's still very good. This is definitely going to go to 9. It's wow, look at that. This is going to go to 9, guys. So if you're feeling scared, yeah, there's more coming. There's more buys coming in. IPA. I do like IPA for a gentle buy. See IPA. Yeah, 9 is coming. Yeah, 9 is just, oh God, immunoprecise. So who go into IPA besides Issa? Oopsie, right. This is a bye-bye. This is a bye-bye. IPA. Let's see. 905. Yeah. Let's see what people are saying. 899. This is still going to move. It's just got legs. Wow. 909. That's how far I can see so far. But there's way more. There's way more volume pouring in here, guys. IPA. Oh, 10 times. 10 times. Okay. SOS, what are you telling me? Nothing. Very weak. Don't be a weak man. Come on, get up. IPA. 9. And this is a real catalyst. Remember, it's all about the Delta variants now. And we're back to COVID making headlines. And, last year it was all about COVID. And now again, 2021, we're back to COVID making headlines. Like I said, SOS is still not dead. I can tell you that for free. So just based on what I did a pre-market run before actually. So I think the pre-market ramp died down and it just needs to make another more. The volume is not strong enough. It's all about price, guys. IPA still moving. Let me see what I can find on my scanners and see. We just looking for that money. Okay. NURO is drying up. CUEM is drying up a bit as well. UPC is another one that I might think might give me a bit of give us a bit of joy. So I'm actually going to keep looking at this. Pain reform. Are you gone yet? Pain reform. I can't believe I didn't make a call for IPA. Isa, that was a really good call, by the way. Well done. Pain reform. Come on, reform your pain. This is still dead. Oh my God. I can't see anything here. This is used to ramping and not being able to maintain hold. So I can see the buys culminating below four, and that's just what it's going to be so far. SOS, what are you saying? 280. SOS is trying to build. It's just so lazy. Real, I saw a little bit of a sign in Real earlier on. And again, like we said, I don't want to be the first person on the train. Let people join in, get on the train first so I know it's safe. And then we join in. And what?
When are we coming out of IPA?
Yes. So Ghanaian is an IPA. Oh, Lord have mercy. Okay. Let's see. It's forming the highs IPA. Let's see. Okay, let me just see IPA. Sorry, I've got my young investor here. Okay, come back. Right, let me see IPA. See if I can actually, let's see, watch it to the last minute. IPA is actually still going back. It's making new levels. Let's see. Get the clock from. IPA is should get to 9, I think. Let me just see. It's very close to 9, but so far with IPA, yeah, about above 9, it's gonna get to 9. It's definitely gonna get to 9.15. So that's a bit dangerous. But about 9, I will be looking at getting out. About 9. He's actually very, very bullish. It's very, very bullish. It's very, very, very bullish. I can tell you that. But remember,
That's actually close to 9.
yeah, it's very, very bullish. They keep, you see, they keep bringing the prices higher. They keep bringing the prices.
9.2 on my end.
9.2. That's what I'm saying about this thing. Why is it so slow on my end? Is that 9.2? Right. Oh.
It's above 10, no?
What'd you say?
It's 10.25 on my side.
Above 10.
It's 9.15 on my side.
9.15, 9.11. It was 9.15, 9.2. That's what I have.
15. About 9:15, guys. I think that's actually very bullish. I'll be setting my stop loss anyway, but
Yes,
9:15.
it's 9:20 now, safe. 9:26.
I'm seeing 1027 now.
Yeah. So it's not what the riding, just well. Tia, are you in as well?
I'm not.
Yeah, 9:20. So it's making higher highs, but at some point, 9.38. Oopsie. 9.4 now. See, I can't see that far. So if I'm going to see that far, okay. The prices, yeah, culminating around this zone. This is not something I'm going to jump in. I'm sorry, but I really do see that the bulls are making a case for it, but it's getting close to getting a little bit weak in the short time before it probably forms or makes another level. But yeah, it's actually really good. It's really good. 9.4. Oh yeah. Now guys, it's going to 10 now. Yeah. Yeah, it will get to 10. It's gonna get to 10, 9.4. I just really want it to pull back a little bit and then I can make my case, or even if I'm gonna get in. Yeah, well, I'm not gonna get in, but yeah. But look. Is that Jess? Did you get in? Or is that here? So yeah, this is, wow. This is actually really good. This is really, really good. It's very decent. Yeah, this is getting to 10. It'll be a shame if it doesn't get to 10, but it's getting to 10, just based on what I can see. So.
Okay, I think you are behind though. I'm seeing 1050 now.
That's the problem with my.
I have 9.55, so I don't have 10 yet.
Are you sure the 10 point something you are seeing is not a projection?
It might be a projection, but here is
because I actually set my limit at 9.5 and it has not hit it.
It's a 9.6 on 212.
9.7.
Yeah, you know, with the spread from these guys.
Oh yeah.
Or 9.8 on my end.
Oh, I'm out.
9.8. So
it's taking you out. Okay. Yeah.
9.
So. Okay. Let's see. Yeah. Let's just see if it dips in a little bit. So where's it at? Yeah, I mean, it's making higher highs. It's making upper levels, but it should get weak at some point. You want to be careful. Don't be the one holding this bag, because there will be some bag holders. I can tell you that for sure. Nothing. Yeah, I don't know why we can't just get a unit, uniting price. This here is just pause. Rail might just be, I don't want rail to be another miss, but let's see.
Yeah, actually, I'm interested in just a day's trade, actually. I don't want to swing anything. I have a lot of things I'm swinging already. So if it doesn't work, I can wait till tomorrow. That's fine. I'll pick another thing.
Okay, yeah, I've got 5 more minutes, but I just, yeah, real's very quiet. Real is quiet. So let's see. My SOS is oopsie. I am bullish with this, but not in the short time. It's just doing nothing. Quiet. IPA. IPA is at 9.79 now. Well done. 9.83. Is DLI in IPA as well?
No, I'm not.
Okay. Let's see. Immunoantibodies. So let's see. Yeah, this is definitely going to 10, like I said. And then you have to be
Sorry.
careful. Yeah.
Hi, Benga. Sorry. Before you leave for the day, could you check if there could be a pullback in BTX?
In which one, sorry?
BTX.
DTS, Delta
Yes,
Tango
B for
Sierra.
Brooklyn.
Oh, Bravo Tango
Brooklyn.
Sierra.
No. Yes.
Okay, let's have a look.
X. I don't know if X is for Brooklyn Immunotherapics.
Okay, wow. This is mad. Wow. Just give me a second. This is just making Isam might think, oh God, why did I leave early? Wow.
I think your internet is behind because my IP is 1070 now.
So,
Which broker are you using?
so
I'm using Google now. Just Google. It's not a. Can you see that you are nearly 1070 now? So you guys are
Because
behind
I'm
it.
looking at Trade View, and I'm looking at T212. Both of them are tracking.
That's what I'm looking at, but it hasn't gone that high.
Google is 10.75 now.
10.75.
No has spread.
Right, let's see. BTS, right? This is just crazy. Yeah, real is dead. BTS. Let's have a look.
X. BTX.
Oh, X, sorry.
X as in Christmas.
X-ray. X-ray. Okay, let's have a look. Wow, 10.8 was heat. I'm ashamed of you this IPA. You just ran. You did well. It's a good run. Okay, right, BTX. No, this wasn't the one. Oh, so guys, if you, okay. Do we have a catalyst on this as well? Yeah, Jayla, do you want to check if we have a catalyst on this?
No, none that I can see.
You know. Okay, let me just have a look. We don't want anyone holding any bags.
Yeah, exactly.
Let's have a look. So BTX, just give me a second. Just check my new source. I'm just on a different screen. Jagex is one I was looking at before market as well. I just couldn't get to a conclusion. Bear with me, please. Excuse me. Well, usually Google is very slow, so I'm actually surprised.
Yeah, Google is usually about 15 minutes delayed, unless you have a subscription. So I'm surprised if it is now ahead of others.
Subscription with Google, you mean?
No. I mean, if you have a premium with other data providers, even if they are not brokers. If you look at Google, they usually say they are about 15 minutes delayed.
Yeah. So BTX, okay, lineage cells. Oh, there's a okay, that was yesterday though. Lineage cells dry AMD gene therapy demonstrates functional anatomical improvement. So that was yesterday. So we had, let's have a look. So it took it yesterday from 2 to not a lot, 2.7. So a few, and it's still there. So here again, based on this, we need to, yeah. So right here is our zone, and we need to defeat that. And if we can defeat that, where are we going next? should be able to get to 14, but it's going to be, it's very quiet here. So yeah, this is accumulation zone. So there's nothing wrong with this one here again. Yeah, but it's not a lot of push either. But if you're getting at this zone, it's no problem. What you want to be looking at is guessing it. Oh, okay, this is where we are. Oh, sorry. Okay. So yeah, if you're in, this is actually a very safe point. Okay. This is a very safe point to get in if you're in already. This is a smart money level, but there's a 15 price target on this, and definitely will get to 15. 100% will get to 15. I know you can write it down. I said it, but you definitely will get well.
But not today, right?
No, not today. Not today. I think you might see a temporary reversal right about 12. So left to me, if I want to get in, I'll be looking at getting about 12 around here, but then running up to 15. But is it bullish in the short term right now? Not really. No, I can't really see much on it. I think it's just based on yesterday's volume is fading out, and then you might see it come back down a little bit, but once it tests this zone, it's going to come back down again. It's still going to come back down. So don't expect much for it on the longer time, because look, it gets quiet. It gets quiet. So overall, your accumulation zone is right there and right there, and that's it. So right here, I'll be looking at getting in. Right here, which is where smart money are piling up now. I'll be looking at getting in again as well. And as you can see, it's actually been drying up already before we speak. Finished, but yeah. So, but it's actually very strong around 15. So fair value for this is going to be 15. But in the past, and if you actually look as well, it's actually been struggling to come on. So it's been struggling to retain highs. It gets up and then comes back down. Gets up, comes back down. So it's definitely going to get to 15 at some point. Definitely not today. Not today. There's not a lot of action happening. And look, it's very quiet at the bottom. Very quiet. So 11:45 IPA. Stop reminding me about IPA. Ganil is there. Oh no. Okay, I'm not in IPA, so I'll let you guys enjoy yourselves, and I just say thank you. Isa, Isa is out, isn't it? Eyes. So before we get in, guys, I'm strictly a price action guy now. I used to be. In the short term, guys, expect eyes to fall a little bit. Okay, so expect eyes to fall. If you want to load in eyes, I will probably be looking at about 433 again. Yeah, expect eyes to fall in the short term, but it's actually really going to fall back to 3, below 4 anyway. Yes, sir. So expect eyes to fall below 4. So if you're in, I think you should be looking at taking your profit right now. Eyes are going to fall below 4, guys. Okay, right, I've got to go. I do have a meeting somewhere. Okay, Austin, SOS. So let's just have a look. Let me just, I'll leave this open. Every time I keep saying we might have a session in the evening, and we should. Okay, so SOS for me looks good. Again, I keep re-emphasizing it. The bull is not done yet. SOS just came out of an accumulation zone, and it will move. So if you get in now, you guys at a better price than me, than other people rather, because I couldn't buy in my ISA. But yeah, there's nothing wrong with SOS. There's nothing wrong. I think sometimes it's just the fact that it's very, very slow, and we know it's very slow. I think it's Chinese as well, isn't it? Yeah, but yeah, it's a bit quiet. We just need. There's volume coming in, absolutely. We just need a little bit more. We need a little bit more. It's still at breaking even price for today. So yeah, SOS is still good for me. Definitely, I will say, yeah. Okay, but unfortunately, I thought it was going to be a good day trade. But you know what? It was a late runner yesterday. It might be another late runner today. So let's just watch it. I'll keep my eyes on it. Okay, I've got to go now, guys. I'm so sorry. We might have another session later this evening. We might. I know I keep saying we might, but we should. Isa, thanks for that call. That was a really good one. I didn't really catch it early. And even when I saw it, I should have just been focused on it. I kept seeing I kept seeing the beers kept coming in, and then I didn't really, place my eyes on the catalyst. But nice one, Issa. Well done. And then we'll take it from there, guys. But well done, guys. Thank you, and I shall see you in the evening. Thank you. Bye bye.